I'm better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time. Thinking about the things that we did. You did something. But shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down. Oh, no one else around. Got me thinking of that on the wild side. Letting out eyes. With them other guys. Where you in my eyes. Loving me nice and slow. You make me wanna come to. You make me wanna come to. You make me wanna come. You make me wanna come. You make me wanna come. You make me wanna come.
Welcome back to my channel, you guys. This will be a sponsored video featuring XRSBEAUTY. I'm very excited to actually go over this unit because, like, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this lace? We're gonna have to really get into this because this is beautiful, guys. Like, look how beautiful this lace is. This is their new clear lace, and I'll be showing you guys in this video the difference between their regular transparent lace and then also their new clear lace, which is what I have on right now. Like, this unit is so gorgeous, you guys. This unit is at 200% density and at 20 inches, and I feel like at 20 inches the length is pretty decent. It goes to just a little bit below my boobs, so the length is really not bad at all. And I can't even like normally I don't like units like no shorter than 24 inches, but look at this lace, okay? Like, look at this. This is so beautiful, blends so good with my hairline and everything. Like, I'm just so happy about this unit. So forget the length, like, just look at how good this blends. I am so happy about this unit, you guys. So before we get into the details of this unit, make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so you can be updated on new and upcoming videos. Let's just jump right into the details of this unit. As I stated before, this is a 20-inch 200% density. This is their silky straight unit. This is a 13x6, as you guys seen, but I do think that a little bit towards here, wait, let me think. I do think you still you feel some tracks like towards here. So although it is a 13x6, you may still be limited to what type of style you can do. I do think you can still do a side part, you can do a middle part, updo look, but just keep in mind of where the tracks do start. Let's go ahead and get into this lace, okay? We're gonna get right into this lace because this lace is so beautiful. And again, you guys, this is their new clear lace. So before we get into this, I want to show you guys the difference. So this regular clear lace, you guys, you could definitely see the difference. The regular clear lace, you could definitely still see that it blends good. It still blends good when you spray the Got2b glue on there. The difference between, I think, the regular lace and the new clear lace is that you don't have to, I don't think you have to end up blending or anything like that. Like, it looks like the knots are already bleached. Like, just look at it. Oh my goodness. I would definitely recommend this. Number one is because, first of all, I didn't have to bleach the knots. Second of all, I didn't have to blend. Like, I really thought I was gonna have to grab some concealer or something like that to go ahead and blend this, but honestly, you don't have to blend or do anything if you don't want to. So I would say this definitely took some time out for me to have to do it, because you know it's always extra steps when you get a wig, and it's like you gotta dye it depending on what color you're getting, you gotta bleach the knots, you gotta get some concealer, make sure that it blends. So just the fact that they took the time to really, you know, customize this new clear lace and make it blend really well and make it melt onto the skin, you could definitely tell like they really care about their products. So I really love this unit just off the simple fact that the lace is just perfect. I stated before, you guys, this unit is a 20-inch, and I feel like even if you're not a girl that likes a short inch, like a 20-inch, you seeing this lace would definitely just change your mind. Like, it would definitely just change your mind. You don't even have to go to the shop and get this done. Like, that is how beautiful this lace is, and that's just how easy it is. Like, you don't have to go to the shop and have them do it or anything. Like, you can do this all by yourself. This unit is also pre-plucked, you guys, so that's another good thing about it, especially for my ladies who are beginners. So with this being pre-plucked, you really don't have to do too much. Now, I did go ahead and just pluck it just a little bit more to my liking, just to make it look a little bit more natural, because as you guys see, when I did first put the wig on my head, it wasn't plucked yet. So it definitely still needed a little more plucking because it was just a little closed in as far as the parting. But just pluck it just a little bit, and then you'll start to see that beautiful, beautiful lace, and you'll just see how good it blends in. Even when you move it over to the sides and that lace, oh my God, you guys, as soon as I put the lace on, I knew it was gonna blend perfectly. The greatest thing about this hair is the lace, you guys. Oh my God, this lace is so pretty. So gorgeous. The lace on this unit goes back pretty far as well. I think it goes back at least maybe 5 to 6 inches, so that's really good. You get that natural parting. Also with the baby hairs, since this hair is so silky and smooth and straight, like, it's so easy to pull these baby hairs out. Like, I parted it, baby hairs just came out. Like, look, ooh. Everything just came out so lovely. You won't have any issues with this unit, I'm telling you guys. Only thing is, I think I need some new flat irons. I'm telling you, like, I feel like when I get a flat iron, I feel like it's a good flat iron for about 2-3 months, and then all of a sudden the flat iron doesn't work as good anymore. So I'm kind of like irritated about that, because I feel like I could have got it a little more silky straight. So I'm not gonna blame the hair for that, because this flat iron, I flat ironed my other hair over the weekend and it just wasn't flat ironed to my liking. So I really think it's the flat iron. But I will say this hair does take heat really, really well. I just need a new flat iron, so I will be updating you guys on another. Actually, I'm gonna try to find a A1 flat iron, like just a very good A1 flat iron that you don't have to keep switching out. You don't have to buy a new one. It lasts for at least a year, which I did have one that lasted for a year. I got it from the beauty supply, so I may end up going to beauty supply and getting another one. So yeah, again, I'm gonna update you guys on that. The way this wig feels, it's definitely a yucky texture, but I did add some silking spray to it, which that actually helps. If the flat iron isn't working too good and you add that silking spray, it definitely works. I may go ahead and just flat iron it just a little bit more, because I want to take a picture today. This hair is just so gorgeous, goes with the outfit I have on. I have on a pretty little thing outfit as well, just a 2-piece jogger outfit, so this definitely goes really good with what I have on. I'm not getting any tangling nor any shedding with this unit either, so that's good as well. My hands are going straight through this hair. I think this is like the first time I really enjoyed a unit that was only 20 inches, and yeah, I think this is like the only time, and it's so freaking gorgeous. You guys, I'm trying some new blush too, so you guys can see like the blush. I added like a lot of blush this time. I don't think it looks too bad, but yeah, I'm trying to just do new things as far as like adding blush and just seeing how that looks. I may stop adding the glow to my cheeks. I don't know. I'm just, you know, testing things out. You guys can purchase this unit off of XRSBEAUTYHAIR.com. Now you will find that there's a lot of options on the website. You can get a natural color, you can get a number 1, you can get a number 2. This unit also goes all the way up to 250% density. Again, I have a 200% density, and it's pretty full. Like, this is really full. And then also it does range from a 14-inch to a 32-inch. I can just imagine how beautiful this hair, even more beautiful this hair will be getting a 32-inch. Like, oh my God, like, just look at this lace alone. It definitely just wants to make you get a wig, like, no matter how short it is. Like, this is A1. This unit will run you for $389. I would say get it, just get it, because you can't go no wrong. You could continue to use this hair, you guys, and not worry about the lace. Okay, you don't have to have a stylist do this or anything. Do you guys know how, like, stylists are great? Like, I even like have people do my hair sometimes, but when you could just do it yourself and save you some money, this is that unit. So So the money you would have spent paying a stylist and also buying the hair, you're actually saving that and you're doing it yourself, because this is a do-it-yourself type of unit. You don't have to get anything special done, anything like that. You can all by yourself. Like literally, you can do this all by yourself. The way this wig fits, it fits so secure, you guys. Like I don't feel like this wig is going anywhere. I did go ahead and adjust the straps, of course, to my liking. So it's about, I would say, on the second or third strap, and it feels great. I don't feel like it's too snug. I don't feel like it's gonna come off or anything like that. So whether you're a bigger head girl, smaller head girl, you'll definitely have that extra security and you don't have anything to worry about as far as this unit. This will be the end of this video, you guys. Again, make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so every time I post a video you don't miss that update. Make sure you like this video, comment below, let me know what you think of this lace. Okay, just comment on the lace. Let me know what you guys think about this lace. Let me know actually what inch you would get. I know mine is 20 inches. I know everyone doesn't like a shorter length, but I mean they have plenty of options. 14 to 32 inches. Like come on now, like you need to get this unit. Actually, no matter what length, I'm telling y'all, it's definitely worth it. Like it didn't even take me that long. The lace was the least of my worries, and normally blending that lace takes time depending on, you know, what type of lace you're dealing with. So this nuclear lace is worth the purchase. But yeah, make sure you like this video, comment below, again share, and I will see you guys in my next one.